The Shark AV2501AE AI robot vacuum offers a compelling solution for automated home cleaning, featuring LiDAR navigation, a bagless self-empty base, and specialized pet hair pickup. It's designed for hands-off convenience, handling everyday messes on both carpets and hard floors with smart mapping. Check the link in the description for the best price. We evaluate how the Shark AV2501AE performs on common household cleaning challenges. The dual brush system and powerful suction work together effectively to pick up everyday dirt and debris from various carpet types. Its specialized design makes it highly efficient at gathering pet hair, which is a major advantage for homes with furry friends. The LiDAR navigation system maps your home precisely, allowing for organized, targeted cleaning of specific rooms or zones whenever needed. The large capacity, bagless self-empty base significantly reduces the need for manual bin emptying, offering true set-it-and-forget-it convenience. This Shark robot delivers a robust cleaning performance across various floor types, particularly excelling at handling frequent pet hair and general household debris. Here we evaluate the overall value proposition of the Shark AV2501AE. The bagless self-empty dock eliminates the recurring expense of dust bags, providing significant long-term savings and added convenience for owners. Its effective hair-focused cleaning combined with HEPA filtration makes it an ideal choice for households with pets, capturing allergens efficiently. As a major brand, Shark ensures readily available replacement parts and reliable customer support, adding confidence to your purchase. When available on sale, this model remains highly competitive, offering advanced features that rival some newer, more expensive robot vacuums. This robot vacuum provides solid value through its bagless design and specialized pet features, making it a smart investment, especially if purchased during a sale. Let's examine potential drawbacks and considerations before purchasing. While it maps well, LiDAR doesn't prevent collisions with small objects like power cords or pet waste, which require prior floor preparation. Despite the self-empty feature, the base and internal filters still need periodic cleaning to maintain optimal performance and hygiene. The self-emptying process, while quick, generates a significant amount of noise, which is something to consider during quiet times at home. Shark's established customer support system means you can generally expect reliable assistance and access to parts if any issues arise. Potential buyers should consider its limited ability to avoid small obstacles and understand that the self-empty dock still requires some periodic maintenance. The Shark AV2501AE is an excellent choice for pet owners seeking a reliable, vacuum-only robot with hands-off convenience. Its bagless self-empty system and strong pet hair performance make daily cleaning effortless. While it lacks mopping and advanced obstacle avoidance, it delivers solid value, especially when found on sale. This robot is a dependable performer for consistent home vacuuming.